UE5 Fatal Error 2026. 1. Restart your PC, close the game completely. Restart your computer, launch the game again. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app, go to your game library, select The Outer Worlds 2, verify or repair the game files. Wait for the scan to finish. 3. Update your graphics driver. Download the latest GPU driver for NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Perform a clean installation if available. Restart your PC. 4. Install Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Check for updates. Install all available updates. Restart your computer. 5. Repair Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Open Apps and Features. Find Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 Redistributables. Click Modify and choose Repair. Restart your PC. 6. Clear Unreal Engine cache. Press Win+R and type Cent local app data %. Open the Outer Worlds 2 folder. Delete the save, config, and shader cache folders if they exist. Launch the game again. Hazard 7. Disable overlays. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Disable NVIDIA or AMD overlays. Close MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner if running. 8. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game executable. Select Run as administrator. Try launching the game again. And 9. Disable overclocking. Reset CPU, GPU, and RAM overclocks to default settings. Restart your PC. Launch the game. 10.10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall The Outer Worlds 2. Restart your computer. Install the latest version. Launch the game without mods or third-party tools.